February 1st, the days are getting longer. Summer is coming. I can feel it. Music. What has become very critical over the years for me is to be able to turn on and off the flashlight on the fly during the exposure in a very efficient way. It's just the way that I like to work these days, especially in studio or late at night outdoors with the Milky Way. And the more I do this, the more I feel like it's supposed in a musical phrase. None of my flashlights are efficient enough for what I want to do, so we started recently to do some butchery. The P10 is the best flashlight to go from strobe to continuous, but the remote is very stiff and painful. Klarus has a better remote, but the flashlight has some issues that are driving me crazy. This is a mix of both. So P10 V2 and the Klarus remote. By using audio cables and connectors, we're using the left and right channel to go either in strobe or continuous light. Oh, and because of that, I can now use any headphone extension to control my light from further away. Now, here's the most noisy, annoying light painting tool I've ever used. I'm sorry, I was extremely chaotic for that session, but it was fun. At least that made us laugh a little bit. The results, I think they are okay. I'm not too sure yet. I have to sleep on that for a few days or weeks. It's very busy in the frame. And now I have to find a way to make myself disappear because I don't really like having a ninja baseball player as a shadow inside my light painting. That's me with the pole. I don't like that at all. But it's very hard to disappear in 360. About the tool itself, this is a 5mm fiber optic cable that we attach to a 3D printed connector. The whole thing on a pole. I have the flashlight that goes inside of this, and that's making everything very sturdy. So then I added my extension right here, like this, the other hand like this, and I was holding it from here. So super easy to do everything in one hand, and I have my camera trigger on the other hand. So look at that, how efficient this is. So on one hand I have the light, on the other hand the camera trigger. So I was triggering the 176 cameras using this wireless remote. Wintertime in Montreal is so perfect for studio work. It's currently minus 15 degrees Celsius outdoors as I'm writing these lines, but the studio is on fire, and playing with all of these tools is so inspiring. Light painting has been part of my life for over 8 years now, and I keep being fascinated by how crazy it is that by simply waving lights, we can create these complex structures. The light comes to life in an animated form, and this is what makes my subject shine through this performance. Are you a tiger? Are you a tiger?